of people know this about me, but my first word was fuck. So, let me just describe what happened this week. A kid got expelled from school for having drugs in her locker. Wink, wink. I got laid. No, that's CNN talk. We'll get on to Communist News Network CNN some other time. FNN though. Fake news. I still have crack from the night that I did crack last week. Also, I came down with that. What happened today? Oh yeah, a guy got kicked out, also got expelled for vaping. Another one. I had a breakup. What about this? My mom did weed with my dad. He kinda raped me last night too. Maybe some shit, maybe some cum. I need to take a shit. Wait a sec, guys. This is a small fucking table. I'm gonna break that motherfucking table, so I better get off. This isn't even a table, if you wanted to know. This is actually a motherfucking dresser. Let's take a tour around my room. Yeah, I've been filming in front of mirrors. Fucking die, Eric Weddle. Let's see what other patron. Oh, my favorite player, Julian Edelman. Fuck off, LA Chargers. You wanna see what my house is? You wanna see what Siberia looks like? Well, I really can't show you because of personal reasons. But let me see if people respond to me coughing. Let's see if people will respond to that. Probably have some kind of person at the front of my house tomorrow morning saying your son was coughing. He's gonna die. Oh yeah, that's my spit mirror, just so you know. Get all my saliva. Go check out Eli 101, you motherfucker.